Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain one of the topic in cell cycle, cell division chapter. It is significance and differences between mitosis and meiosis cell division along with amitosis division. Significance of mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division. In this, a single cell can divide into two identical daughter cells. This mitosis division is helpful for growth and development in case of multicellular organisms because in multicellular organisms growth and development it takes place with the help of mitosis only. All multicellular organisms like plants and animals they start their life from a single cell that is called zygote or fertilized egg cell. During growth and development, the single cell, it is zygote, it divides into more number of cells that leads to formation of adult organism and the process of mitosis repeated many times for to make a single cell into adult organism. This mitosis division, in case of plants, it provides a continuous growth with the help of meristematic tissues present at the tip of the stem and present at the tip of the root. Somatic cells, they are participated in mitosis division for growth and development in an organism. The mitosis it helps to maintain a particular cell size because this mitosis division it maintains the cell size in a proper way. During division, the somatic cell induced to divide. At this time, it helps to maintain a proper surface to volume ratio in the structure of a cell. Due to increase the volume of cell in case of interphase. When the cell after completion of interphase, when it enters into division phase, the cell can equally divided. It helps to maintain a proper size in their cell cycle. Along with it, mitosis cell division it helps to maintain a particular number of chromosomes in cell division. Mitosis it helps to maintain same type and same number of chromosome compared to parental cell and daughter cells. It helps in cell repair because mitosis is a mechanism for replacing either old cells or damaged cells, and in this damaged cell the new cell formation takes place to cure injury. Example, frequently in human body blood cells and upper epidermal layer cells are replaced with the help of mitosis division only. Reproduction. In case of unicellular organisms, one mitosis division it result in the formation of two daughter cells and these two daughter cells will becomes into two daughter organism. In case of unicellular organism, it helps to multiplication. Some of the unicellular organisms like yeast, paramecium, mitosis, it acts as a method of asexual reproduction. Healing and regeneration. Mitosis, it produces new cells for healing the wounds and for regeneration. Mitosis causes maturation and multiplication of germ cells in gonads and after increasing the number of spermagonial and oogonial cells then it ready to participate in meiosis division. So before meiosis division the cell number it increase with the help of mitosis only. So these are the significance of mitosis cell division. Significance of meiosis. The meiosis division is helpful for the formation of haploid gametes, and these haploid gametes are essential for sexual reproduction. So gametes are essential for sexual reproduction because the organism it formed from zygote. That zygote is formed by the fusion of both male and female haploid gametes. The second significance is it helps to maintain the chromosome number for many generations constantly, because during meiosis division, when the chromosomal number reduced to half, this helps to maintain a constant number of chromosomes for many generations. For example, the sperm it have 3 chromosome, and egg cell if it have 3 chromosome, after its fusion the newly formed zygote consists of 6 number of chromosomes like adult organism. So the fertilization it restores the original diploid number in zygote. The important significance is the meiosis division it helps to introduce variations in next progeny, because in meiosis division it provides a chance for formation of new combination due to crossing over in between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome that leads to expression of variations, and these variations are useful for evolution. Along with that, there are many main differences in between mitosis and meiosis cell division. In this, the first difference is in case of mitosis, nuclear division and DNA replication it takes place only one time. But in meiosis, nuclear division occurs twice, but the DNA it undergo duplication only one time in S phase. The prophase is very short and without any substages in mitosis, but the prophase 1 is prolongated with 5 different stages in case of meiosis division. In mitosis, there is no pairing of homologous chromosome, that is called synapsis, and there is no formation of synaptonymal complex in mitosis. But in meiosis, the homologous chromosome, one is paternal and maternal chromosome, due to development of synaptonymal complex during zygote, the pairing process take place in prophase 1. In mitosis, there is no chance for crossing over and chiasmata formation. But in meiosis prophase 1 stage, the crossing over takes place in between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome that take place in Pacton stage leads to the formation of chiasmata. The prophase chromosomes appear double from the very beginning due to having of double amount of DNA which is duplicated in S phase. But in meiosis division, the chromosomes appears single thread initially. So all chromosomes from a single plate it forms metaphasic plate in mitosis division, but in meiosis division, especially in metaphase 1, two metaphasic plates are formed, but in metaphase 2 only one metaphasic plate is formed. The mitosis division. So on equatorial plate, chromosomes appear with through 2 threads, but in meiosis division, on equatorial plate, chromosomes appear with 4 threads in metaphase 1 and 2 threads in metaphase 2. The splitting of chromosome, especially centromere, and separation of 2 chromatids from each chromosome occur in anaphase of mitosis division. But in meiosis division, initially in anaphase 1, there is no splitting of a centromere and no separation of chromatids. Only chromosomal pair is separated. But in case of anaphase 2, A splitting of centromere and separation of chromatid also occur. The telophase occur in all cases in mitosis, but in some cases, telophase 1 is not present in meiosis. The daughter cells have same number of chromosomes compared to parental cell, but in meiosis division, at the end of telophase 1, chromosomal number it reduced to half. The karyokinesis usually followed by cytokinesis, but in meiosis division, sometimes cytokinesis does not occur after telophase 1 or meiophase 1. The mitosis is responsible for growth, repair, and healing in case of multicellular organisms. But meiosis division, it is responsible to maintain the chromosomal number constantly for many generations due to formation of gametes or spores, and also produces variation due to crossing over that helpful for evolution process. These are the main differences in between mitosis and meiosis cell division. Along with that, one of the important concept it is amitosis division. Cell division by simple cleavage of a nucleus and the division of cytoplasm without spindle formation or appearance of chromosome is referred to as amitosis division. In this amitosis division, one cell it directly broken into two daughter cells. So amitosis division first time observed by one of the scientists. His name is Robert Remarque. At the term amitosis, it was first given by W. Fleming. Amitosis, this type of cellular division, is considered as primitive type of cell division, and also it is called direct cell division because one parental cell it directly divides into two daughter cells. So amitosis is a process. In this, the cellular division it takes place at this time majorly the less developmental cell, especially unicellular organisms like bacteria, protozoans, diseased cells, old cells, and mammalian cartilage cells and fetal membrane cells frequently they can perform this type of primitive cell division. In amitosis division, the nucleolus and nuclear membrane not disappear. At the same time, there is no formation of chromosomes from chromatin fiber. Along with that, spindle fiber formation also not takes place. The entire process takes place after replication of chromosomes, and even these are distributed into two daughter cells. That type of events not seen properly during amitosis division. So first the nucleus it elongated and becomes into dumbbell shape and forms a constriction. A constriction appear in between nucleus and it is gradually deepens and divides the nucleus into two daughter nuclei. And finally, the constriction appear even in cytoplasm after nuclear division, and the two nuclei it will be splitted or separated into two daughter cells. So the daughter cells which are formed from amitosis division, these are approximately they can divide into two equal halves compared to parental cell. It is the mechanism of amitosis cell division. Thanks for watching.